Hi guys. Today we have cool slim product to unbox, so let's get started. The LOKMAT Sky GT, a sports smartwatch. The box comes with the watch, a charger, a user manual, some cleaning and protection stuff, and a tempered glass screen protector. It has a very clean and minimal look with a curvy design. A 1.43-inch AMOLED display. "26 sports modes with more different features. 400 mAh battery up to 9 days, standby time. Waterproof level, IP67. The sound is super loud and clear. It's very good. The watch can connect from phone by GoFit app. You can change watch faces from the app. You can also turn on all apps notifications for your watch. You can insert a SIM in this watch to make phone calls just by using your watch. The call sound quality is very good and clear.
Hi there. How are you? I thought you were busy somewhere, that's why you didn't respond to my call. Well, no problem. It's all right. I was just worried about you.
It has a great screen lock feature, which is very good. You need to unlock the watch in order to view the notifications. The display is very bright and easy to see in sunlight. The straps are very soft, and it makes the watch comfortable to wear.